motor. Welcome aboard our 2020 26-foot Avenger AV, powered by the Suzuki 350 that is on a jack plate and has two swim platforms, port and starboard of the motor. This boat is equipped with trim tabs also. Back in our stern compartment, we have access to all our pumps, through-hull fittings, finished well off with an integrated stringer system that is foam filled. We have port and starboard live wells, in addition to our bait station with a 40-gallon live well. Then we go to our back seat that lifts up, and underneath our seat is where our batteries and battery switch are. Nice and high up out of the bilge. We do have an in-deck storage area that is nicely finished off and part of the integrated stringer system. We have through hulls here for self-bailing deck. If you notice, they are recessed where the water will drain and then go out the middle. In front of our console, we have our tackle area with tackle boxes and drawers. The bolster seats sit down and up with a nice footrest that makes for comfortable running. On the dash, we have our fly-by-wire electronic control, a JL audio system that is Bluetooth. We have the Suzuki digital gauge. We have our Lenco trim tab controls. And our controls for the jack plate on a Pro trim. And what's very unique to Suzuki is the troll mode. The troll mode, when you put the motor into gear, you hit the button and it will bring it up 50 RPM at a time. As we move to the side of the console, we have console access, and it shows the water tank for the shower. There is a shower on board, freshwater shower. Underneath the front seat, we have another live well. Makes 4 live wells total for this boat. As we move to the forward deck, we have an in-deck fish box with macerator pump. This here is a nice place. It'll ice down, hold ice, and will pump out and clean at the end of the day. This step right here is also an insulated box that is actually a cooler. Then we have another box for storage, also insulated, can be used as a cooler. We have a port and starboard, rod holders and storage. As we go forward, we have our anchor locker. That's bracket for 2 anchors and the plug for a trolling motor. It is pre-wired. The 26 Avenger also has equipped with the hardtop. It has the aft and forward spreader lights. It has lighting, LED lighting underneath, red and blue, or red and white, I'm sorry. And your speakers are up in the hardtop and down in the deck.